Natural gas continues to see buyers on dips in a range. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas markets have been rather bullish in the early hours of Friday, but really at this point in time, we continue to hang around in the same range, so I don't read too much into it, as this is a market that typically is very quiet and noisy this time of year. So I'm not overly excited about buying here, but what I have been doing is jumping into the ETF market and taking advantage of non-leveraged positions. That allows me to take advantage of price appreciation, but not worry so much about blowing up my account in what is typically a very wild market. Short-term pullbacks I will look at as an opportunity to buy more shares in an ETF. If you don't have that ability, you can trade the CFD markets. Just do so with a small position. This market participation down here makes a certain amount of sense because we had some concerns about a hurricane and we are getting somewhat late in the season. And sooner or later, people are going to start focusing on fall temperatures. We are almost there, I think. But really, at this point, this is a market that I think you just need to think of more along the lines of an investment because it can get quite ugly at times. You can see just how it runs all over the place. But the $2 level that we tested does seem to be an area that a lot of people think is a bridge too far. So I think that's your hard floor, that general vicinity. And if we were to drop towards that area again, I'd probably buy quite a few more shares in my ETF. I have no interest in shorting natural gas, at least not at this point in the cycle. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.